myself Amudhakumar, and I am a digital marketing trainer. So today I'm going to discuss about a topic, online SEO training. Okay, so is it okay to take SEO training online? So I have published a couple of videos earlier regarding SEO training online or digital marketing training online. Whether you learn digital marketing or SEO, going online is one of the best practices that one can have to have your knowledge imparted on the day-to-day basis. Now, learning is an ongoing process, and we cannot define a specific time to learn a particular subject or information. When this goes like this, we need to make sure that learning is an opportunity that we have to use it on day-to-day basis along with your day-to-day life, rather than segregating exclusive 1 or 2 hours of module. Now, when we learn search engine optimization, now we have to dedicate ourselves towards learning it, and your classroom training or your online training of 1 or 2 hours is not going to make huge difference. You might be learning about something for 1 or 2 hours, but still in your remaining hours you can use your traveling time, you can free time, your waiting time for somebody else to explore something practically related to search engine optimization. Now, when it comes to a classroom training, we have to travel all the way from where you are now to the place where you are supposed to learn. Now you might be end up investing up and down 1 plus 1 2 hours, and again you go to institute and start learning about a particular topic, and that will be somewhere around 1.5 to 2 hours at the max, and you feel like I've done more. I've spent almost 3 hours a day to learn SEO. Now remember, it's not about the quantity time, it's all about the quality time. Now, when I train students online, especially for SEO related subjects, I help them go online by having a hands-on experience on the topic, by guiding them to do it on their own learning pace and the learning speed. Now, whereas when you come to a trainer on a classroom training, now we teach you the subjects and the concepts in such a way that we try to explain it in the board with the proper information by drawing the picture or showing you some text and all this stuff. And but however, going online will give you the real-time view of the product, and you can have a hands-on experience. This increases your confidence level. This also increases your ability to work on the system and have hands-on experience on creating, editing, content, documentation, image creation, and all the process related to search engine optimization. Now, if you prefer to go for online, now I strongly suggest for those people who are completely busy, who says like I have no time to travel down the line and then to go ahead. And in this scenario, if you still even plan to go for the live classes and you start taking it up, now you might be consistent for 2 to 3 days or the max 2 weeks, but it is a little bit difficult to complete the process. Now, biggest problem in the metropolitan city traveling down to a training institute is like your traffic. Now it is your timing, and you end up reaching the venue little late or little earlier, that's okay. But still, if there is power fluctuation issues, there is a parking lot issues, and up and down traveling time along with the traffic and the climatical change issues, now all these can contribute to the reasons why you cannot concentrate on that one. Now, being online has a complete control over, just with a message of information you can reschedule or even cancel, or if you are free in the morning or free in the evening, you can check with the trainer based on the flexibility and available time, and you can have your sessions being scheduled. Now, so there are several advantages with respect to going online and handling your sessions. Lots of people who speak with me always say like I'm not comfortable in online sessions, and the thing is, remember, going online will save you time, it will save you money, it will also save you time and effort. Now, in this scenario, taking a smart decision is always a great idea to go for. When people take some steps towards doing something unique or different, obviously you tend to have a oppositive force, things like offensive force. Now, this force may try to stop you from what you are trying to do, but the thing is, like, without pain no gain. So when there is no change in what you are doing, there is no change in the end result which you are going to get. Now you need to change towards getting the technology incorporated. We accept that placing an order online will deliver it to our home. We accept that placing a food order online will deliver it to our home, and we accept like transferring information or transferring money to another account is getting credited. Now, when these things changes, when we accommodate, why don't we accommodate educating ourselves using a digital platform? Now remember, as in my videos, in several places I have mentioned, if you want to learn swimming, then water is the right place to learn. And if you want to learn football, now it is football court is the right place to learn. You cannot swap them. You cannot play football on swimming pool. You cannot play or you cannot learn swimming on a football ground. Now this is like learning swimming in this swimming pool. If you are planning to learn digital related, SEO related topic, now you need to touch water and experience. So my suggestion is, rather than having a mental block like, no, I'm not going to learn from online or any practical sessions, you are supposed to take it up. And I strongly suggest you to at least have a small hands-on experience by attending a couple of sessions in order to help people to make the right decision by giving them the right information. Okay, I give minimum 2 to 3 sessions online experience for free for anybody else who connecting for my sessions, and only when they feel comfortable, yes, it's good to go with my online sessions, they will take up my course. Otherwise I give them the regular classrooms training. And if you are a person who is watching this video for the first time on my YouTube channel, I strongly recommend you to subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon with all notifications enabled. Comment, share, and also make sure that continuously watch my videos. And any doubts you have, please comment in the comment box, and I'll be taking up some time to answer your questions related to this particular training, SEO, and all of this stuff. Thank you so much. I'll meet you with you on another video.